In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deals on Rightmove as a beginner. Whether you're searching for your next home or considering property investment opportunities, navigating the Rightmove website efficiently is key. Let's dive in step by step. First, you'll need to start by opening a web browser of your choice and heading to the Rightmove website. This platform is one of the UK's largest real estate websites, making it an excellent starting point for finding the property that suits your needs. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. Here, you'll need to type in the location where you're looking for properties. For this tutorial, let's use Birmingham as an example. As you start typing, suggested locations will appear. Simply click on the desired one to make your selection. Next, you'll want to focus on the properties that are currently available for sale. Find and click on the For Sale option. This will filter out the rental properties and help you narrow down the list to those that are available for purchase only. After that, there is an option to specify the search area. Click on This Area Only if you're interested in properties located strictly within the selected location, without extending to the surrounding areas. One of the effective features of Rightmove is the Search Radius option. Clicking on Search Radius allows you to determine how far you're willing to search beyond your initial location, keeping it broad or quite specific, depending on your preferred convenience. Filtering is crucial in finding exactly what you're after. You can filter by property type, whether you're interested in houses, flats, or something more specific like bungalows or new builds. Refining your search continues by selecting the number of bedrooms you'd prefer. This is particularly useful if you have specific space requirements or are searching for a family home. For those interested in all potential opportunities, ticking the Include Under Offer Sold STC box can be beneficial. This shows properties that are under offer or sold subject to contract, making you aware of everything happening in the market. Now, to initiate the search, click on Search Properties, and the tailored results will display. For an even more tailored search, you can click on the Add Keyword option. Here, type in terms like refurbishment, probate, and modernization. These keywords are especially useful if you're looking for properties that might be priced lower due to needing some TLC or being part of an estate sale. Once you've set your criteria, look for the Keyword Match option to ensure the results align closely with your specified needs. Finally, Rightmove allows you to organize your results. Choose Oldest Listed to possibly find properties that have been on the market longer, which could mean they're more open to negotiation. Following these steps will help you navigate Rightmove with ease and increase your chances of finding that perfect property deal. Good luck with your property search.